Hey kids, let's learn about the winters. It is the coldest season of the year. When winter comes, it is usually the period of 3 months starting from late November and lasts through the March. Days are short and nights are long. Temperature remains low, sometimes goes zero or in minus, leads to snowing. It comes after autumn and before spring season. You can see snowflakes which are of 6 sides. We can have lots of fun in winter as well. Snowman. It is made out of the snow, that is the frosty, the famous Christmas craft. Sled skiing is done to travel down on a snowy hill with the snow which is lighter, fluffy and drier. Ice skating. Metal bladed ice skates are used to glide on the ice surface. Now let's have a look on top stunning places to visit during winter in India. Oli Uttarakhand, Gulmarg Kashmir, Kullu Manali and Munnar in Kerala. This is a beautiful winter view in Canada. You can see how snow has covered everything and shining in the night like a day. Now let's talk about winter clothing. Boots, woolen socks, gloves, scarf, mittens, beanies, jacket, cardigan, sweater, woolen suits and thermals, pants, earmuffs. We use blanket and quilt in the night. Children, do you know why we don't feel cold after wearing woolens in the winter? Because woolens are ideal to fight cold by acting as insulators, hence heat gets trapped inside them and can't escape and we feel hotness. Now, what should we eat in winters? Almond is called the king of nuts, and walnut, cashew nut, khajur along with chawanprash are packed with protein, fibers, minerals and vitamins which have numerous health benefits. You should have hot milk boiled with dry dates and gur in it in the night. You can also have hot soup, which is a good appetizer and offers hydration also. In case you get cold symptoms, you can have hot tea made up of ginger and tulsi. It really works great. Now let's talk about winter fruits and vegetables. Clementine and oranges are the most common winter fruits. Grapes, guava, pomegranate, although these fruits are also available throughout the year but are healthy choice when it comes to the winter season. Now the winter vegetables. Spinach, fenugreek, leafy vegetables and carrot, turnip and radish, root vegetables are excellent source of vitamin A, K, B2 and B5. Hot sarson saag with makki roti is a famous traditional Punjabi food enjoyed in winters. We take hot bath shower in winters which is quite relaxing. When there is cool wind, we should stay indoors. Animals like bumblebee, bat, hedgehog, ladybug, bear, snake hibernate themselves in winter. So kids, keep exploring about the winters and enjoy your winter vacations. Thank you.